vertical circle. According to Newton's second law of motion, children, see, suppose a body is tied to a string and it is moving in a vertical circle like this, na? Okay, so children, this is point P. When the body is at point P, here its weight is mg, and we'll resolve the weight into two components, mg sine theta and mg cos theta. So just mg cos theta is balanced by the tension by the string, and centripetal force is also acting in direction towards center. So the balance equation of force is T minus mg cos theta, because these two are opposite in direction, is equals to mv square by r. So we'll get T is equals to mv square by r plus mg cos theta. This is equation number 1. Children, tension will be minimum for cos theta equals to -1, because in this nothing is going to be changed, only variable thing is cos theta. Okay, so if the minimum value of cos theta is -1, which is at 180 degree angle. Okay, so tension will be minimum when cos theta equals to -1 or theta will be 180 degree. The body reaches the highest when this is theta, तो बॉडी 180 डिग्री पे कहाँ हो जाएगी, h पर, हाईएस्ट पॉइंट. दिस इज़ द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट. सो नाउ सपोज द वेलोसिटी एट पॉइंट h इज़ vh, in which t tension is minimum. Okay, so t minimum will be mvh square upon r minus mg. This is equation number 2. Children, it is clear from equation 2, when vh decreases in magnitude, vh decreases, the magnitude of t minimum, tension, will also decreases, and at a certain value of vh, magnitude of t minimum become 0. So suppose if t minimum is 0, so the magnitude of vh will be root rg. मतलब ये वो velocity है जिस पर tension 0 हो जाएगा, and the string slacks and the body fall down from h. Okay, ढीली पड़ जाएगी वहाँ से, string लूज हो जाएगी. Okay, and since velocity of the body at p is v, then applying the law of conservation of energy between point p and between the highest point h, so the sum of kinetic and potential energy at h is equals to sum of kinetic and potential energy at p. So here half m vh square plus mg, h की जगह यहाँ लिखा है 2r, because the distance is, we have taken distance from ground. Suppose this is the ground, so r plus r means diameter. Okay, 2r, half here, half mv square plus mg, r minus r cos theta, because distance is h, this is h, है ना, this distance we have to take here. Okay, this total is r radius, and if the angle is theta, so this r minus h distance is equals to r cos theta. So we have to take only this distance, which is equals to r, total r minus r cos theta. Okay children, now putting the value of vh here, we will get the final expression of velocity, which is v equals to under root gr 3 plus 2 cos theta, and when we put this value in equation number 1, we will get the expression of tension also.